Yeah, like, I'm serious. There's like nothing to do here. It's so boring. Like, there's only one amusement park, and in my hometown, there was only one library, no mall, no nothing, and it's boring. There's nothing to do here.
Hey, how you doing? Let me get a large Big Mac meal. Let me also get a medium Whopper meal, and then let me get just a Baconator. Oh, the drinks for those? Let me do one shake. Yeah, let me just do one shake. Yeah, one total. Yeah. All right, that'll be it. All right, thank you.
Yo, what's going on, internet? It's Adrian. We're gonna be trying out the Grimace Shake today. I've been hearing a lot of weird things that have been happening. We'll try this. But you know what? We're gonna try it out today and rate it 1 through 10. Alright? Happy birthday, Grimace. Damn! This sucks! I'm gonna rate it a 4 out of 10. Happy birthday, Grimace.
Trick or treat!
Yo, should we take a shoe?
Hey, sure, why not? You don't need them.
Hell yeah. Dude, these are so cheap.
Let's get it.
That guy, he's not having a good time. He didn't have enough cheddar to pay out the big cheese.
I'm so glad this guy sold me these Converse for like nothing. Jesus Christ!
Yeah, what's up?
How you doing?
Pretty good, dog. How you doing?
Doing alright, doing alright. What's up with this guy?
I don't know. Looks like he's dead. Let's try and get this guy back. Rise! Oh, okay. Second. Rise! Rise! You know how it is. I'll just put you up here.
Hey, you! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Come on, keep it moving. We'll never see eye to eye. That's what you're right about. You'll never defeat me, Will. You don't know what's right. You don't understand what's at stake. I understand. You don't get it. I studied under the triumvirate of defense for years. There's no attack you can throw at me I can't parry. Give up. We'll see your attack says about this. Fuck!
my god, I can't believe what's happening. Get it? Because it's cheese. He's not the type of fella I'd mess with. I'd mess with mozzarella. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, guy needs to relax. He needs to take it cheesy.